Worried someone might access your Telegram even if they have your code? Here's how to add an extra layer of protection with two-step verification. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Tap the three-line menu in the top left corner. Then, tap Settings. Go to Privacy and Security and tap Two-Step Verification. Next, tap Set Password. Create a strong password, then enter it again to confirm. You can also add a password hint to help you remember it. Then, enter a recovery email you can access. Confirm your email to finish the setup. Two-step verification is now active. Your Telegram account is safer, even if someone gets your login code.